Good morning, student. In previous class, we have studied about potential energy and magnetic field lines. Today we are starting with a new topic, some basic term of magnetism. Some basic term of the magnetism, like magnetic intensity of magnetization, magnetic induction, magnetic permeability, magnetic susceptibility, and magnetizing intensity, and their interrelation, how they affect each other. इनके बारे में आप पढ़ेंगे. इसके अलावा परमानेंट मैग्नेट और इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट के बारे में भी आज हम इस टॉपिक में पढ़ने वाले हैं. So let's start. And another topic will be related to magnetic material like paramagnetic, diamagnetic, ferromagnetic material, their properties, their properties, their behavior in magnetic field, weak magnetic field, strong magnetic field, and the example of paramagnetic, diamagnetic, and ferromagnetic substance. So let's start with the first. Our topic of today, intensity of magnetization. अब intensity of magnetization क्या होता है? It is magnetic moment per unit volume. Magnetic moment per unit volume. यानी magnetic moment represented by capital L and volume represented by V. So magnetic moment per unit volume I is equal to m by V. Magnetic intensity of magnetization I is equal to m by V, where m magnetic dipole moment, m is magnetic dipole moment. Its unit ampere per meter. If we substitute this magnetic dipole moment with m into 2l, where m whole square and 2l is the length of magnet, and this area volume substitute by area into length of magnet, then we will get this 2l will eliminate by this 2l, will get m by a. So another form of intensity of magnetization is pole strength per unit area. So its definition, another term is it is also equal to the pole strength per unit area. So intensity of magnetization I has two formulas, m by v and I is equal to small m by v. That is magnetic dipole moment, that is volume, and that is pole strength, and that is area. So that's all about the intensity of magnetization. It is represented by I. It is represented by I, and its unit ampere per meter. Its unit ampere per meter. Now come to the magnetic induction. What is this? Magnetic induction. Generally it is represented by B. It is represented by D. Number of magnetic field lines. Number of magnetic field lines inside magnetic material. Number of magnetic field lines inside magnetic material crossing per unit area normally. किस तरह से क्रॉस करना चाहिए पर यूनिट एरिया को? नॉर्मली क्रॉस करना चाहिए थ्रू द मैग्नेटिक सबस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. नंबर ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस इनसाइड मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल क्रॉसिंग पर यूनिट एरिया नॉर्मली थ्रू मैग्नेटिक सबस्टेंस is called magnetic induction. Its unit Tesla or Gauss, and the relation you know in previous class 1 Tesla equal to 10 to the power 4 Gauss. Okay, so what is magnetic induction? Number of magnetic field lines inside magnetic material crossing per unit area normally through magnetic substance डिनोटेड बाय D. किसी भी मैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंस के इनसाइड से जितनी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस नॉर्मली पास हो रही है उसका जो मेजरमेंट है दैट इज कॉल्ड मैग्नेटिक induction. Its unit Tesla and gas, and the relation between Tesla and gas, 1 Tesla is equal to 10 to the power 4 gas. Now come to the another definition, magnetic permeability. What is this magnetic permeability? It is the ratio of magnetic induction B, that we have studied in the here, magnetic induction B and magnetizing intensity H. Magnetic induction B और magnetizing intensity H, इन दोनों का ये क्या है, रेशियो है. It is denoted by mu. It is denoted by mu, and mu is equal to B by H. Its unit Tesla meter per ampere. Its unit Tesla meter per ampere, and at unit of B divided by unit of H, we will get Tesla meter per ampere. But we should remember one very important thing here. We represent mu refractive index. We represent mu, also represent index. So you should differentiate between that of the mu of refractive index and that mu. So magnetic permeability, ratio of magnetic induction and magnetizing intensity. Its unit Tesla meter per ampere. Tesla meter per ampere. Now come to magnetic susceptibility. What is this? ये क्या है? जब किसी भी मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल को हम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रखते हैं तो वो क्या होता है? मैग्नेटाइज होता है. क्या होता है? वो मैग्नेटाइज होता है. तो कितना इजीली वो मैग्नेटाइज होता है उसका मेजरमेंट है. मैग्नेटिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी इज द मेजर ऑफ हाउ इजी अ स्पेसिमेन कैन मैग्नेटाइज. कितना आसानी से कोई स्पेसिमेन मैग्नेटाइज होता है उसका मेजरमेंट होता है मैग्नेटिक ससेप्टिबिलिटी. इन अदर फॉर्म या अदर वर्ड, इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मैग्नेटाइजेशन I, intensity of magnetization I, and magnetizing intensity H. ये दोनों का रेशियो है. सो magnetic susceptibility equal to I by H. But we know that this I and this H has the same unit, that is ampere per meter. दोनों की यूनिट सेम है. किसकी? मैग्नेटाइजेशन, इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मैग्नेटाइजेशन और मैग्नेटाइजिंग इंटेंसिटी H. I और H दोनों की यूनिट सेम है. सो this magnetic susceptibility is a unitless. It has no unit. So no unit, so it has no dimension formula. But what is the basic about this? Its basic is, it is the measure how easy a specimen can magnetize in a magnetic field. यानी कोई भी मटेरियल कितनी सरलता से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में मैग्नेटाइज हो जाता है, ये इसका क्या है, मेजरमेंट है. And it is the ratio of intensity of magnetization I and magnetizing intensity H. No unit. Next one, magnetizing intensity. Magnetizing intensity. Degree to which, अब देखिए इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है. एक स्पेसिमेन कितना इजीली मैग्नेटाइज होता है और यहां पे क्या है, एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. Degree to which magnetic field can magnetize a material. And एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड किसी मटेरियल को कितने डिग्री तक मैग्नेटाइज करता है. Here is the main role of magnetizing field. And एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड किसी मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल को किस डिग्री तक मैग्नेटाइज करता है, it is denoted by H, its unit ampere per meter. Means magnetizing intensity H, it is the degree to which magnetic field can magnetize a material. Its unit ampere per meter. Now recapitulate. Intensity of magnetization I is equal to M by V. I is equal to M by V. Magnetic moment per unit volume. This is also equal to pole strength. O स्टैंड पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम, पर यूनिट एरिया। मैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन, number of magnetic field lines inside magnetic material, causing normally, unit Tesla and Gauss. Magnetic permeability, it is the ratio of D and H. Magnetic induction and magnetizing intensity, unit Tesla meter per ampere. Magnetic susceptibility, measure of how easily can a specimen can magnetize, denoted by I by H. I and H same unit, so it has no unit. Magnetizing intensity, कितनी डिग्री तक कोई सब्सटेंस, कितनी डिग्री तक कोई मैग्नेटिक फील्ड किसी सब्सटेंस को मैग्नेटाइज कर रहा है, उसका मेजर, डिनोटेड बाय H, इस यूनिट एम्पियर पर मीटर पर।